that gun back in the fight, Puckett. Let's go. We need some pressure now.
Reyes, get in the fucking knee. You can't see shit from there.
Not even look at their tactical position, right? Corrected if someone was to actually shoot at it.
Gun 2, you got it.
That you have around you using trees or whatever to help stabilize your position.
Like this on top of itself.
You guys stay here, prep your ammo here, don't go to the fire line until you're cold too.
I guess so. That felt with the charging handle there.
You over. And you'll be, yeah, 3 fingers to the right, and you'll see.
End of that hill on the right side.
Hang on one! Fire! Got 2 have load! Hang on 2! Fire! Got 2 have load! Hang on 2! Fire!
Talking guns, all right? You guys might have heard the term pick 'em deep. So this is pick 'em deep employed in pair.
Fire when ready. Hold me tight, man. You right there? This here. Alright. In the sights. I got it. Alright, cool. Go ahead. Uncage. Yep. Put up. Fire. There's.